everyone. Hi kids. Good morning. Okay, are you ready to learn today? Good. Okay, today is Monday, May 11th. So, let's study together. Well, before we do our first paper, I'm going to ask you, do you still remember counting by twos? Do you still remember? For example, let's review together about counting by twos. If I have 5 fingers like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 fingers. Okay, counting by two, so that means you have to jump 2 times. Let's say, let's start from number 2. 1, 2. Start from here. Start from number 2. And then counting by twos. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. So you stop at number 4 because you jump 2 times. 1, 2. And then you stop at number 4. That means counting by twos. Okay? If I start from number 1, and then the next number is number 1, 2. Jump 2 times, right? Jump and jump again. And then you stop at number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay? And then count by twos again. So you stop at number 3, 5. Good. Good job. Now that's called counting by twos. Okay? While doing your paper, we will also draw something there. We will draw an animal, okay? And then also we will complete a sentence together. Let me help you. Okay, let's go.
Okay, before we start, let's read the instruction together. Start at 2. Connect the dots counting by twos from 2 to 40. So what you have to do is connect the dots, okay? And don't forget you have to count by 2 and start at number 2. After 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Good. Now, next, this one. Now, let's read the instruction together. Read more clues about this animal. Write the words from the circle in the sentences. And this is the circle. Okay? what you have to do is you have to read the sentence and find the correct word. Okay? Now let's read together. This animal is very. Is it grass? No, it's not the answer. How about this animal is very water? Is that true? No. How about this animal is very fat? Yes? Yes. Okay. Now just write down fat. F A T. Fat. This animal is very fat. Good job. Now, next. It spends the day in blah 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 and eats at night. Can you guess? Fat. No, not fat. Fat already. It spends the day in hippo. Is it true? No. How about it spends the day in grass and eats at night? Is it true? I don't think so. No, that's not the answer. How about it spends the day in water and eats at night? Yes or no? Yes. So just write down water. W A T E R. Water. Water. Okay. Next. Number 3. It can eat 88 pounds of blah 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 each night. So what do you think? It can eat. Okay? 88 pounds of blah 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 each night. Eat. So that means fat already, okay? Fat already, water already. So it can eat 88 pounds of hippo. Is that true? No. Grass? Yes. Grass. It can eat 88 pounds of grass. G R A S S. It can eat 88 pounds of grass each night. Okay, next. Number 4. This animal is a... Of course, the answer is hippo. Yes. H I double P double P O. Okay. Good job. Now, can you do it by yourself? Well, good luck.
Well, next to do the next paper, it's about finding letters to make word pairs. Okay, here you will study about words spelled backwards. Okay, how to do it? For example, words spelled backward. Gum, gum. Okay, now spell the letter one by one. Gum, the first letter is G, right? The first letter is G, and the second letter is U, right? How about the last letter? The last letter is M, M. Okay, now how to spell backwards? Now, let's spell backwards. If we spell backwards, the M, the letter M, will be the first letter. Okay? That's how you spell backward. Okay, now let's do it together. M, U, and the last will be G. Okay, now if you already spell the letters backwards, so it becomes, how to say it? Muck. Muck. Gum becomes muck. Okay? Another example is net. Net. N-E-T. The first letter is N. The second letter is E. And the third letter is T, right? Net. T is the last letter. Now, if you spell backward, the T, the letter T, becomes the first letter. So, let's spell backwards. T, E, and N. Okay. At first, you read the word net, right? Now, if you already spell the letters backward, so now it becomes 10. Good. Okay, now do you understand? Well, next is about palindromes. All of you say palindromes. Palindromes is a word or words having the same meaning when you read forward and backwards. For example, beep, beep, B-I-B, okay? If you spell backward, it also B-I-B. It's the same, right? And then noon, N-O-O-N. Okay? If you spell backward, it will be N-O-O-N. It's the same also, right? So that is called palindromes. Now, let's do the paper.
Okay, next. let's read the instruction together. As usual, write the missing letters to make word pairs. The second word is the first word spelled backwards. The second word is the first word spelled backwards. Okay. First, this one. Gum. All of you say gum. Stop. Stop. Pets. Pets. Nets. Sorry, net. All of you say net. Net. Good. Now look at this. Remember, the second word is the first word spelled backwards. Now it starts with M. Okay? It starts with M. Gum. Gum. M is the first letter here. Okay? Now let's spell backward. M. The second letter is U. Write down U. U. And G. Okay, it become muck. Muck. Next, stop. Stop. Here, the last letter is P, right? P. But here, P becomes first letter, becomes the first letter. So let's spell backward P until S. Okay? P O, right? So write down O. O T and S. It become pops. Yes. Next, pets. The last letter is S. Here, S becomes the first letter. So let's spell backward S until P. Okay? S T E and P. Yes. Next, the last one is net, and here the last letter, the first letter is T. Okay. Now, can you do it by yourself? Good. Good luck. Well, let's read. Palindromes. Palindromes. All of you say palindromes. Good. Now let's read together. Palindromes are words or sentences whose letters read the same forward and backwards. The words below are palindromes. Say them aloud. Now, let's read the words together. Noon, noon. Pop, pop. Beep, beep. Bop, bop. Anna, Anna. Pop, pop. Hannah, Hannah. Mom, mom. Dad, dad. Write a sentence with a palindrome in it. Now you can write a sentence and you choose which word that you want to write in a sentence. For example, Mom ate. Mom is cooking. Okay. Mom, mom. Okay, so you have to write a sentence with a palindrome in it. Now you can choose which word that you want to put in a sentence. Good luck!
Next, we will learn about fraction. Do you still remember fraction? Okay, let's review a little bit. I have a pizza. Oh, not a pizza. I have a circle, for example. Yeah, it looks like a pizza, the shape of pizza, right? Okay, this circle, there are 3 parts, right? It has 3 parts. One part is shaded. One part is shaded. And then how to read that? How to say that? The shaded part, you have to write down 1 because there is only one part shaded. So write down 1 and don't forget to put a fraction, okay? Fraction sign. After that, how many parts altogether? 3, right? So write down 3. Okay? So it says, you can call it as 1/3. 1/3. Okay. Next, we will do the paper together.
Okay, next let's do it together. Read the instruction. Read this one first. Okay. A fraction is a part of a whole. One is the part shaded, so the yellow one is the part shaded. One, okay? How about 4? Number 4 here. 4 is the parts in all. 4 is the parts in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the parts in all. And the yellow one is the part shaded. Okay, now let's read the instruction together. Color the shapes to show the fractions. So what you have to do is color the shapes like this. Next, first this one, okay? Remember which one is the part shaded. 2 or 1? Yes, 1. 1 is the part shaded. So you just need to color one side, okay? One part. You can color this one or this one. I will color this one. Okay. Okay, good. Now, next, this one. Which one is the part shaded? 1 or 3? 1, good. So, color one part. You can color this one, or you color this one, or this one. Choose only one part. I will choose this one. Okay. Now, it's already correct. 1 is the part shaded. So the blue one is the part shaded. And 3 is the parts in all. 1, 2, 3. Now, next. 3 is the part shaded. So that means you have to color 3 parts. Okay? Now let's color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You already color 3 parts. Now is it true? 3 is the parts shaded. 1, 2, 3. Already correct. 4 is the parts in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. The last one. This one. 1 part shaded. Color only one side. Okay. Now 1 part shaded, 4 parts in all. Great. Now can you do it by yourself? Good luck.
Well, next we will do the next paper. It's about rhyme. Rhyme. Do you still remember? Here I will show you some words which have the same rhyme. Okay? For example, wink, drink, wink, drink. They have the same rhyme. Now, let's do the paper.
Okay. Now we will read the instruction together. Okay? Think of 2 words that rhyme and go together to make a silly picture. Write the words and draw the picture. Now look at these words. Everybody say think. Think. Good. Grow. Grow. Fit. Fit. Toe. Toe. Wink. Wink. Snow. Snow. Drink. Drink. Joe. Joe. Meat. Meat. Slit. Slit. Glow. Glow. Dough. Dough. Now, let's read this one. Here are some words to help you. Try to think of more on your own. This is a blah 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 and blah blah blah. Now choose 2 words that have the same rhyme. I'll choose wink and drink. Now let's write down wink and wing and drink. For example, drink. Oh, wing, for example. Okay. I will draw I. Wing. And then for the drink, I will draw a cup. Okay, you can try by yourself. You can be more creative.
Well, next we will learn about schoolroom. Schoolroom. Okay, now let's do it together.
Well, before we start, let's read together. Schoolroom. Schoolroom. Now, there are pictures here. Now let's mention one by one. Books. Books. Table. Table. Coats. Coats. Flag. Flag. Desk. Desk. Now, cut all of the pictures. Okay? Cut all of the pictures. If you already cut the pictures, now take the flag picture and then paste over here. Okay? Paste the flag over here. If done, now take the books and then paste over here. Well, now take coats. This one. Coats. And then paste over here. Now take table picture. Table. And then paste over here. Okay. If you are done, now next. Now, if you already paste books, table, coats, and flag, now let's read this one. Okay, top, top, bottom, bottom, left, left, right, right. Okay? This desk is on the top. This desk is on the bottom. This desk on the left. And this desk is on the right. Now, let's take the left desk. Left desk. This one. Good. Now, paste this desk right here. Okay. Left desk. If this is left, then which one is the right desk? Where the right desk should be placed? Where is the right desk? Yes, this one. Okay. Where do you paste? Here. Is it right one? Right desk? Place here? No. How about here? Yes, right there. Good. Right desk. Now, take, this is left. Okay, wait, this is left and this is right. Now, take top desk. This is top desk. No. This one is the top desk. Top. So that means you have to place the desk here. No. Here. Top. On the top. Okay, good. Now, the last desk is on the bottom. Where? Where you have to paste. This is top, right? And then bottom. So that means under this desk. Good. Okay. Good job. Top, bottom, left, right. And again, here's the flag. Here's the books. Here's the codes, right? And here's the table, the circle one. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, this is how you paste. Good job. Now you can do by yourself. Good luck.